Hi, everybody. My name is Ran, CEO and co-founder of NOVASIGHT. At NOVASIGHT, we're doing something a bit unique. Instead of just focusing on one product, we're building an entire ecosystem of solutions around vision health of children, starting from screening to diagnostics and all the way to treatment. And all of that is based on the eye tracking technology. So at NOVASIGHT, we have two lines of products. The first one is vision treatment line, where we have our CureSight lazy eye treatment device, which is currently on the clinical stage. And we have our pipeline ActiveGlass myopia control wearable solution, which is on the R&D stage. On the diagnostic line, we have the EyeSwift. This is a B2B vision diagnostic solution, which is already commercial, available on the market by EssilorLuxottica. And our pipeline TrackSight, which is a B2C visual health application solution, which is currently in an R&D stage. Starting with the technology, so everything that we do is based on the eye tracking technology. We are monitoring the position and gaze direction of the eyes about 90 times per second. Currently, it is based on a dedicated infrared sensor, and now we are working on the second generation of allowing some of the functionalities to run on the integrated cameras of tablets and laptops. What we measure is directly the ocular motility of the eyes, but also the attention of a person. And this measurement is totally objective and very accurate. Our core technology is around data analytics. So we are using the eye tracking data for real-time image processing according to the momentary gaze position in our therapeutic devices. And we are developing our diagnostics based on algorithms that involve our deep knowledge in ophthalmology and optometry. Once we collect the data coming back from the field, we can build our AI analysis, allowing us to better enhance the algorithms and the treatment. I will start with the treatment products. So lazy eye is a condition that affects about 3% of the population, and this is a leading cause of vision loss in children. The main solution for lazy eye is patching over the strong eye in order to force the brain to work with the weak eye. But patching suffers from very low compliance, below 50%. In order to solve this need, we came up with our CureSight AMBLYOPIA treatment device. The principle of the device is that the kid is wearing blue-red glasses at the comfort of home and watching his favorite content over our device, which could be anything. So imagine Netflix, YouTube, video streaming applications like Zoom. And while the kid is watching his favorite content, first we monitor his eyes by the eye tracker. You can see the red lights below the screen. And then, according to the momentary gaze position, we blur only the center of vision of the strong eye. In order to do that, we need to first separate the two streams, and this is done by color conversion. And so the degradation of image at the center of vision of the strong eye allows us to first stimulate the brain to start working with the amblyopic eye, but on the other hand, to also encourage the brain to build 3D perception and binocular vision. This technology was proven in a pilot study during 2019 over a group of 20 kids and currently running a pivotal study towards FDA clearance. It is running in a multi-center scenario in 6 different vision centers, and it will be including about 90 subjects, out of which we already enrolled 55. We already have also some promising results on adults in a pilot study. About the business model for the US, I'm going to run it very, very quickly. Physician will get one device at his office to run demos for families, and children will get the device directly to their home to be used for 4 to 6 months. We applied for dedicated CPT codes and already got them approved. So we have our own 3 different codes for installation of the device, technical code for usage of the device, and a physician code for interpretation of the reports. A word about our pipeline, ActiveGlass myopia control solution. So as you probably know, myopia is an epidemic of the 21st century. During 2000, we had about 1.4 billion people suffering from myopia. Today, we have 2.6 billion. And by 2050, it is estimated that more than half of the global population will be suffering from myopia. Out of them, about 1 billion will be suffering from high myopia, which is a major risk for eye complications like retinal detachment and glaucoma. So there are a few solutions to slow down the process of myopia, such as atropine drops, ortho-K, and contact lenses, and very recently coming up the spectacle glasses with a therapeutic effect to slow down the progression of myopia, but all of them are suffering from disadvantages. Now I'll present the ActiveGlass solution for myopia control from NOVASIGHT. So we are talking about a wearable solution incorporating both eye tracking technology with eye trackers embedded into the frame of the glasses, and also electrical digitized pixelated lens that allows us to create whatever optical pattern that we want, allowing us to actually create a myopic blur that is slowing down the progression of myopia. Once the kid is looking straight, we have clear vision. But once the kid is looking to the sides, this optical pattern is following the images of the eyes and keeping images clear at all times, which is very different from what is available today. Today, on the lenses that are on the field, whenever the kid is looking to the sides, his image is becoming blurry. So now a very quick look on our diagnostic solutions, starting with the EyeSwift. So the EyeSwift is a vision assessment device already available on the market and being distributed by EssilorLuxottica. It is composed of a desktop device and electrical glasses. It is running 11 different vision tests around visual acuity, strabismus, both manifest and latent parts, amblyopia, lazy eye, binocular vision, and reading analysis. Coming soon is our EyeSwift Pro with more features like myopia control monitoring, retinal disease detection and monitoring through a dedicated automated contrast sensitivity test, fast screening, and pediatric ophthalmology tools. Coming soon is our TrackSight consumer vision health solution. Based on the integrated camera of the tablets, we can provide real-time alerts for screen work safety, like the duration of screen use, the distance from the screen and head tilts, and also monitor the eye of the user. In addition, we will be offering periodic tests for myopia monitoring based on novel eye elongation, eye tracking-based solution, computer vision based on auto visual acuity test, and reading analysis. To summarize, the company was established in 2016. We have 18 employees on board. We are well financed by venture capitals and global leading corporates. So far, we raised about $19 million. We have one device, the vision assessment device, which is CE and FDA registered. Our lazy eye treatment device is on track for FDA clearance. And we have pipeline innovative, unique solutions for myopia control and management. In terms of IP, we have 4 granted patent families and 3 pending patents. We have our fully owned NOVASIGHT China, which was established very recently, highly experienced management, and well-renowned experts sitting on our scientific advisory board. With this, I thank you, and I encourage new partners to contact us. Thank you very much.